Yeah, hi, good afternoon. It's Mark here from Matant. Today I just wanted to introduce the Stellana forklift tyres to you. This is a top quality forklift tyre. I found that these are actually running sort of 50%, 60% longer than other tyres on the market. And as I say, from a quality point of view, very, very good. So if you're looking for a good quality tyre at a very reasonable price, give me a shout. We've got Michael here. He represents Stellana, and he's going to talk about a few of the little defects that they found in other tyres compared to the Stellanas and how the Stellanas are holding up in the market. Okay, so I'm going to give you to Michael now.
Hi, good afternoon, guys. So the tire's been running in about a year and a half now. We're landing our fifth container at the moment in Cape Town Harbour, ready to offload. It's a little bit windbound, but we've learned a lot this last year, and I can just show you what the Stellana does. So we've got here a couple of other leading brands and things that we have started to pick up. All tyres does have a safety line. So there where my thumb is running, you've got your safety line, and that's where you supposedly start replacing a tyre to obviously protect your rims and all those kind of things. So obviously I'm not going to show any guys names here, but this is a Stellana now, and as you can see, this tyre reached its maximum safety line. It can probably go another couple of hours, but what is very important, we've got very, very smooth wear on it. As you can see, all tyres does have a serial number. So what we do is when we sell them and fit them, we take the machine's hours and we marry that up with the serial number, and then we can see exactly the amount of hours that the tyre does. But as you can see, it's a perfect wear. There's no basis coming through. As in this tyre, your wear is still there where my thumb is, and this is a leading brand, and already you're getting some black underlayers coming through. Then another thing is, this one has been pushed right to the limits, so you can compare it. I mean, this guy pushed it quite hard. It's over the safety limits, but still, we've got a smooth wear, no cracks, no delamination. The tyre held up right through and past its life. And then just another thing is, where the Stellanas will never ever give you a delamination problem like this. Also, yet again, you still have some life in this tyre. There's your wear line at my thumb, but already you're starting losing your tyre here. You're getting all the bottom compounds coming through the top layer before it's worn out. Just a simple example of how the Stellana Focus is constructed. This two tyres comes from the same company. Very hard application. Drivers, unfortunately, they do bump it against iron and racking and all of this. So you can see this damage done to this tyre, but it's clean rubber. In comparison, other brands here, it's like a cap that's on it, very hardish centerpiece, obviously to save some money on rubber. But yeah, here we can see we're getting absolute full life out of the Stellana. The Stellana Focus is a 18-hour shift tyre, so you can call it a double shift tyre, multi 3-layer. This is for your typical hard-working guys doing shifts the whole day. We have the Stellana Plus here. You can see also very, very nice rubber, nice cap, very good virgin rubber on top. This is an 8 to 10 hour tyre, rated 8 to 10 hours. So this is your normal shift tyre, but there's actual nothing bad about this tyre. The only thing is the Focus can handle more heat. But for your normal day-to-day application, the Stellana Plus is perfect. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Thanks, Michael.
Oh, it's